Dreadnought. Let's take it out. First thing, we will start with Lightbringers. Take out these guys here. Don't kill him yet. Let him go. There you go. Okay, one more. Just kill this guy and we're done. Alright, now we'll shoot him. We didn't kill him before because he's the key to cleaning out the front. Now we will kill him. And he'll clean out this stuff for us. And then we're going to shoot over here before we run. Alright, that's it. Get out of there. Now we'll bring in the bounty hunter. And he'll clean out twin blades. Come over here a little bit so that this guy doesn't shoot us. Take out the twin blade. We'll get a little bit of damage, we won't get much. Take this out. And take out that. That's it. Basically, base is done at this time. Retreat. Now we'll just use a couple of missiles. Now, this is the key. You got to make sure that you put these guys on hold. Stun them. Shock them. Alright, good. There. You got to make sure they're shocked. If they're not shocked, they will kill your aces. So he's shocked. He's shocked. No, okay, he is not shocked. I got to shoot him again. See, there's no blue thing on him. He will kill your aces. Okay, those guys are shocked. We got to shock him. If you don't pay attention, your aces will go down. Alright, got him. And one more right here. Shock these two. He's the one that usually doesn't get shocked if it happens. And then he does. See if he gets shocked. Alright. See, now he's not shocked. This is not usual. But we'll make it happen. Alright, now we'll bring in our aces. Don't wait too long for the shock wears off. See, the shock wore off. Doesn't usually happen. So we'll end up with a little bit of damage, but nothing significant. Anyways, this is the quickest way to do it. Get over there. Where are you going? Kill him dead. There. All right. All right, come over here. Finish these guys off. All right, now we'll kill him, but in the meantime, We'll send some of them away. And we will bring in the Harbinger. It just makes it go a little bit quicker. They will eventually kill him, but with the Harbinger it goes faster. And it just goes a little bit quicker. Just be patient. Let it do its killing. I've got all the parts, so I won't get any more parts, but I'll probably end up getting thorium. This is just to show you how easy it is. That was it. Victory. I'll probably just get thorium. Yeah. Go and do likewise. Now let's see. We got a little bit of damage, but not much. Oh, I gotta make an opening. Let's see what we got for damage. Very little. Eight minutes. Just one. Because the rail or the wasn't shocked. And light bringers are almost back. They get very little. See what these guys got. And let's see what he got. It's not much. Alright, he's back. They're all back. What'd they get? 2 minutes on my light bringers. 8 seconds on my bounty hunter. Alright, go and do like